Welcome back to Beautyistic, your trusted space for all things beauty and wellness. Today, we're diving into a game-changing product for beauty professionals, the Master Massage 30-inch full-size Phoenix Therma Top Portable Massage Table Package. Whether you're a massage therapist, esthetician, or just someone looking to level up your at-home beauty setup, this review has you covered. This portable massage table isn't just a bed for massages. It's built with a lot of features that make it versatile, durable, and highly functional. It's packed with thoughtful design elements meant to elevate the comfort and effectiveness of your treatments, whether you're doing a relaxing facial or providing body work. Let's break it down. When it comes to comfort, this table really delivers. The 3-inch thick cushion made from multi-layer small cell foam is perfect for clients who want a cozy experience, but it doesn't stop there. There's an additional 1-inch thick layer of heat-sensitive memory foam that adapts to your body's pressure points. So, whether you're lounging for a facial or relaxing for a massage, you'll feel the pressure melt away as the table gently cradles you. And speaking of comfort, the built-in heating pads add an extra layer of luxury. It's like having your own heated blanket during your massage or facial. The size of the table is another standout feature. At 30 inches wide and 84 inches long, there's plenty of room for clients of all shapes and sizes. Plus, you can adjust the height from 24 to 34 inches, which is perfect for professionals who like to customize their working posture. And despite all these amazing features, the table only weighs 34 pounds. Yes, you read that right. It's portable, which makes transporting it from one treatment room to another a breeze. Durability is key when you're investing in a piece of equipment like this, and the Master Massage Table doesn't disappoint. It's made with an aircraft-grade steel frame that can support up to 750 pounds. That means it's not just for lighter clients. It can easily accommodate anyone without compromising strength or stability. Plus, with its clevis block leg attachments and stabilizer bar, you won't have to worry about wobbling, even during intense treatments. Now let's talk about the elegance of this table. The European imported beechwood legs feature a high-gloss Duraseal finish, giving the whole setup a sleek, professional appearance. The upholstery is made of oil and water-resistant PU leather, which is not only easy to clean, but also adds a refined touch with its French stitching. I also love the added convenience of the 4-pocket carrying case, perfect for storing your accessories, oils, or tools. After using it myself for a few treatments, I can say it's incredibly comfortable. The face cradle is ergonomically designed, and the memory foam face pillow takes the pressure off the neck and ensures clients stay relaxed. The armrest is contoured for ultimate comfort, and it's clear that every detail was carefully considered to ensure both the client's and the professional's experience is top-notch. But like any product, this massage table has a few things to consider. While it's sturdy and versatile, the weight, though reasonable, is still something to consider if you need to transport it often. Also, the price might be higher than basic models, but when you factor in all the extra features, especially the heating pads, durability, and ergonomic design, it does offer good value for professionals who need a top-tier table. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, there are other portable tables out there. However, they may not have the same level of durability or luxury. Some options might also lack the ergonomic features, like memory foam or heated surfaces. So, if you need a more affordable option, but still want something that delivers, look for tables with similar build quality, but be prepared to make some compromises in terms of features. At the end of the day, the Master Massage Phoenix Therma Top Portable Massage Table is a premium option that delivers on comfort, durability, and versatility. It's definitely built with professionals in mind, and I'd recommend it to anyone in the beauty industry who's looking for a high-quality, portable solution for their practice. If you found this review helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review. Your support helps us keep delivering honest and informative content like this. And if you've already used this massage table or are considering it, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.